Welcome to a new video of Mostly Engineering and the recap of this year. So, welcome to the last video of 2024, and the original plan for this was another part in the electronics toolbox. I manufactured the parts, but then I didn't have the strength to do it. I was quite exhausted. And what I needed for myself was build a model just for me. And so that's what I did. And the result you can see here. So it's not finished yet. This little MiG-29, and who doesn't like a MiG-29? If you ask me, it's one of the most beautiful jet aircraft ever. And yeah, it was really nice to just build something for yourself and get a little bit of relief from the stress, because 2024 was amazing, but it was also really stressful. So it started slow, and we all luckily were able to finish our rotor, and then also for the Enigma project we nearly finished the reversing drum. And for all of you who are waiting on the Kickstarter campaign, I'm nearly finished with building all our rotors and doing the calculations how much it will cost me. So this year I'm relatively confident that beginning in spring next year we can start the campaign. Really nice on that front. And work-wise, this was the first time I was really embedded in a production as a prop maker, not the usual model I did all the years before, where the companies ordered a specific prop from us, but this time it was really in the prop shop at production, and this was an amazing experience. I learned a lot, and I met a lot of really nice people, but it was a lot. I mean, a solid 10 to 12 hour day every single day. That is a lot. And then afterwards, another first for me, building models for trade shows and exhibitions. So a completely different set of requirements on the models and film work. And yeah, again, really nice. And now currently I work as always for Berliner Film Festival here in Berlin, and we get a new database, so that's a lot of work again. And so that's why I didn't have the time really to finish the electronics toolbox, and you get this short talking head video today. But yeah, this is something that will happen. And YouTube got somewhat successful. We reached a little bit over 200 subscribers just recently, so I'm really proud of it. And hopefully for all of you who are subscribed, thanks a lot. And for those who aren't, there is a subscribe button down below, and it would mean a lot to me, because it's really fun to do videos, but it's also a lot of work to put in the videos, and our work time sometimes is a little bit short on demand. And so if the channel grows, and it starts to be part of an income, there's a potential of being able to spend more time on it, and also to make some nicer projects for you. So if you're watching it on the day it comes out, Merry Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever you celebrate. And if you watch it later, happy 2025. And I'm really happy that you're here watching the videos. And as always, on the end, if you have questions, comments, please add them down below. And All I have to say now is thanks for watching and see you at the next time. See you next year. Bye bye.